And yes, we are live. Hey guys, I miss you. How are you doing? Let me greet a couple of people nasa stream natin ngayon. Over at Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Ayan o. Hi. Connected na. Sana all. What is up, boys and girls all over the world? Nandyan na naman tayo. Did you get that? Okay. Siyempre, nandito pa rin ako. At nandito tayo para sa isa't isa. Lalong-lalo na para sa paksang mahal na mahal po natin. Ang math. Alright, welcome to our program. This is MathDali Live School at Home Edition. Pero bago po tayo matuto, may dalawang kaibigan akong lumapit sa akin para humingi ng tulong para sa preparations nila sa darating na Chinese New Year next week. Kaya samahan po natin yung mga kaibigan kong si Faye at si Lynn as they get ready for our Chinese New Year. Ano ni Master Hans? No? Okay. Now, Faye and Lynn were making homemade tikoy for their town's Chinese New Year celebration. Si Faye used 7 and 1/6 kilograms of glutinous rice, while Lynn used 3 and 5/6 kilograms of glutinous rice. Who used more glutinous rice and by how much? Ang daming tanong, no? Pero usapang fractions na naman tayo. Kaya, ang tanong, kaya ba nating isolve to? Siyempre. Madaling-madali lang yan. Sorry. MathDali lang yan. Okay? Napag-usapan natin ang adding fractions and mixed numbers with regrouping. Ma-apply kaya natin yung mga natutunan po natin for within the past or for the past few weeks? Okay, kayang-kaya yan. Let's try. Ang hinahanap sa problem natin ay kung sino ang mas may maraming nagamit na glutinous rice para gumawa ng tikoy. By the way, what's your favorite tikoy flavor? Is that the original one? Di ba may ube? Ube. There is monggo. Or hopia ba yun? Alam ko may monggo tikoy din eh. The OG tikoy. And alam niyo the best way for me how to prepare your tikoy? Sobrang nipis. Haluan mo ng itlog. Ay, crispy yan. Nakakagutom naman. Okay. Ang hinahanap po natin ay kung sino ang mas maraming nakagamit ng glutinous rice para gumawa ng tikoy, di ba? And kung ilang kilograms yung difference ng ginamit nila. So, we have our numbers right here. 7 and 1/6 kilogram for Faye and 3 and 5/6 kilogram para kay Lynn. Sa whole numbers pa lang, makikita na natin na 7 is greater than 3. Ibig sabihin, mas marami talaga yung nagamit ni Faye kaysa kay Lynn. Okay. Nasagot na natin yung unang katanungan natin. Kasi tinatanong lang kung sino mas marami. Pero paano natin malalaman kung ilang kilograms ang difference sa mga nagamit nila? Subtraction. That is correct. Okay? Iso-subtract natin mula sa glutinous rice na nagamit ni Faye ang mga nagamit ni Lynn. Naalala nyo ba kung paano tayo mag-subtract ng fractions? Good job, guys. Last week, nag-add tayo. This time, mag-subtract naman tayo. Kailangan siguraduhin nating parehas ang kanilang denominators. At dahil parehas na 6 yung kanilang denominators ng 7 and 1/6 minus 3 and 5/6, ibig sabihin, similar fractions sila. Madali lang to, kayang-kaya to. But here is the tricky part. Kung titignan natin ang mga numerators, we have to subtract 5 from 1. Kuya Robi, 1 minus 5, parang hindi naman yata pwede yun. Actually, pwede. Kung integers ang pag-uusapan natin. Pero, dito sa pag-uusapan natin, kayang-kaya yan. Dahil magre-regroup tayo. Regrouping. When we regroup, manghihiram lang tayo mula sa whole number. Subukan natin, no? Sa next number na 716, ang goal natin ay manghiram mula sa whole number na 7. And to do that, first, let's write down 7 and 1/6 as 7 plus 1/6. Okay? Ayan, diba? Parang hinati lang natin sila. Ngayon, how do we borrow 1 from 7? we simply write this as 6 plus 1 plus 1 over 6. Makes sense. Diba? Ang 1 na hinaram natin sa 7 can be expressed also as 6 over 6. Dahil ang 6 over 6, ang denominator ng 1/6 ay 6, diba? We now have 6 plus 6 over 6 plus 1 and 1/6. Nakukuha niyo ba? Galing, no? Ano pansin nyo? Yung 1 na hinaram natin kanina ay naging fraction na. Kasi tatandaan nyo, kung babalikan natin, kung pareho ang numerator sa denominator, one whole number po yan. Now, we can add the numerators. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And now, we have our new mixed number, which is 6 and 7 over 6. Pareho pa rin. Similar fractions pa rin sila. At ngayon, pwede na natin balikan yung equation natin kanina and see kung pwede pa tayong mag-subtract. This time, let's use this equation. 6 and 7 over 6 minus 3 and 5 over 6. Pwede, no? We can now subtract like how we normally subtract numbers. Now, let's start with our whole numbers. 6 minus 3 is 3. Pagkatapos ay yung mga numerators naman natin. 7 minus 5 is 2. And finally, we copy the denominator. So, we are going to be having 3 and 2 over 6. Is that the final answer? Not yet. Kasi we need to simplify this. Okay? 2, 3, and 1 over 3. Or 3 and 1/3. Ibig sabihin, mas marami ng 3 and 1/3 kilogram ang glutinous rice na ginamit ni Faye kaysa kay Lynn. Galing niyo, guys. Good job. Ngayong habang natulungan na natin si Faye and Lynn sa binibenta nilang tikoy, tulungan naman natin silang mag-decorate. Now, Faye and Lynn na naman, 16 and 1 over 5 or 1/5 meters of ribbon to decorate their place for the homecoming or the coming Chinese New Year. However, they only used 12 and 1/4 meters. How many meters of ribbon were left unused? Yung hindi pa nagamit or hindi nagamit. Now, this time, tutulungan natin sina Faye and Lynn at alamin kung gaano kahabang ribbon ang hindi nila nagamit. So, ano ba yung kailangan natin gawin? Para makuha ito, kailangan lang isubtract ang 12 and 1/4 meters na nagamit nilang ribbon sa 16 and 1/5 meters ng ribbon na meron sila. Sa denominators pa lang, alam ko nang sasabihin nyo, Kuya Robi, makikita na natin na we are dealing with dissimilar fractions o magkaiba yung denominators nila, di ba? Kailangan muna natin silang gawing similar fractions. So ano yung first step natin? Hanapin yung least common denominator o pwede natin mahanap to by multiplying the denominators and then we do cross multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20. And then, ang gagawin natin, magko-cross multiply na tayo, no? 1 times 4 is 4. Then, 5 times 1 is 5. Now, we can subtract. Pwede na. Similar fractions sila, di ba? Over 20 na. Pero Kuya Robi, ito na naman tayo. Mas malaki na naman yung is it subtrahend? Is that right? Subtrahend. Kesa doon sa minuend. Is that right, Teacher Mappy? Anong gagawin natin? Well, gagawa na naman tayo. Manghihiram na naman tayo. Siyempre, yun ang kailangan natin gawin. Okay? Yung fractional part ng second fraction ay larger than the fractional part ng first fraction. At dahil dyan, magre-regroup ulit tayo. I-regroup natin ang 16 and 4 over 20 into, ano ulit? Hiram lang tayo ng isa. 15 plus 1 plus 4 over 20. At ngayon, pwede na natin express ang 1 as a fraction dahil ang denominator ng 4 over 20 ay 20. Yung whole number natin, 20, di ba? Yung whole number natin na 1 can be written as 20 over 20, which makes it 15 plus 20 over 20 plus 4 over 20. Pwede na tayong mag-add ng fractions natin. Okay. Now, let's do this. 15 plus 20 over 20 plus 4 over 20. That gives us 15 and 24 over 20. Ibig sabihin, ang equation natin kanina na 16, 4 over 20 minus 12, 5 over 20 ay magiging 15, 24 over 20 minus 12 and 5 over 20. Ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-subtract. Siyempre, unahin muna natin yung mga whole numbers natin na 15 minus 12. And we get 3. Ang numerators naman na 24 minus 5, we get 19. Ano nga ba ang gagawin sa denominator? That is right, kukopyahin lang. Now, if we combine all these, we are gonna be having 3 and 19 over 20. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay 3 over 20 meters. Labels, kailangan yan, of unused ribbon. Okay, na-solve na natin yung mga problema nila Faye and Lynn. Ngayon naman, tignan natin kung kaya nating masolusyonan. There we go. Kailangan natin masolusyonan ang problema dito lang sa ating quiz time. MathDali lang to. Are you guys ready? Game ka na ba? Game na. Okay. Let's have this first question muna. Okay? Mga concepts muna ang dapat nating ibato para sa lahat ng mga classmates po natin. The first question is, when the first fraction is not big enough to subtract the second, what is the technique used when we borrow from the whole number to make the fraction larger? Is it A, rearranging, B, recycling, C, regrouping, or D, rescaling? 20 seconds on the clock. Go. Rearranging, recycling, regrouping, rescaling. Ano nga ba? What do we do, guys? We got Mika, we got Pat, Tay, hi. R. Chris, Kimberly, Javier or Jal. Lovely. Is it rescaling? Okay. Time is up. The correct answer is... What is the correct answer? It is letter C, regrouping. Okay, it is regrouping. Lovely, Joy. Okay. Regrouping yung method o technique na natutunan natin kanina wherein we borrow from a whole number para maging larger yung fraction natin. Okay? Or para gawing larger ang fraction. Diba? Now, let's have this one instead. Number 2. True or false? Concepts muna tayo. 3 and 1/2 minus 2 and 2/3 is equal to 5 over 6 or 5/6. True or false? 20 seconds on the clock. Go. Let's try this out. So, let me give you the denominator. The denominator is 6. Para sa LCD. Okay? And then 3, 4. Borrow ka dapat. Okay, time is up. Binigyan ko na kayo ng clues, no? Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Let's solve this. Dahil dissimilar fractions sila, we can multiply the denominators first and then we do cross multiplication. At sinabi ko na sa inyo, yung LCD natin kanina is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we cross multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, meron na naman tayong isang problema. Parehas na yung denominators nila, pero larger yung numerator ng second fraction. Kailangan nating i-regroup yung first fraction. So, what do? We will borrow 1 from 3. So, we're gonna be having 2 plus 1 plus 3 over 6. At gagawin nating fraction yung 1. So, we'll be getting 6 over 6 plus 3 over 6. And now, we add those two fractions. At yan ang makukuha natin. 2 and 9 over 6. Balik tayo sa ating equation. We are going to be doing 2 and 9 over 6 minus 2 and 4 over 6. Anong unang gagawin natin? Whole numbers muna. 2 minus 2 is 0. Numerators naman. Okay? 9 minus 4 is 5. And then we copy our denominator. So, ang sagot natin for this one is truth. So, truth tayo. Divine, maraming salamat. Okay. Truths. Okay. Word problem naman tayo. Are you guys ready? Ako handa ako dito. Dahil 2022 na. Kailangan may ganito tayo. Ihanda nyo na ang inyong ball pen or pencil and paper, or you can get a whiteboard. Let's do this. Let's have question number 3. Now, Faye and Lynn prepared 2 different types of dragon puppets to be used for their Chinese New Year's dragon dance. Faye's dragon puppet stretches for about 5 and 1/6 meters long, while Lynn's dragon puppet is 3 and 2/6 meters long. How much longer is Faye's dragon puppet than Lynn's? You got the options right there. I'll give you 20 seconds to solve this one. Go. I will solve with you. So, we got those numbers right there. 5 and 1/6. And then, 3 and 2 over 6. Pwede natin gawing ito. We are gonna be left with... Oh, I'm done. Are you guys done? Huh? Time is up na ba? Ay, okay. Time is up na pala, guys. Before we give out the correct answer, I wanna greet Gerald Barcelon from Pulilan, one of my hometowns. Okay? What is your answer, guys? Do you have the answer right there? Ako, may sagot na ako. The correct answer is... Ano ba? Correct answer is... Let's solve muna. Ano? Okay. Let's solve muna. So, this is my solution. Pwede... Uy! We got Serial watching from DepEd Division of Cavite Province. Hi! To our dear teachers and educators, lalong-lalo na from DepEd, maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay, here we go. This is my solution. Tignan natin kung kaya nyong i-compare, no? So, what we have is 5 and 1/6 for me. Dahil yun ay yung kay Faye. And then yung kay Lynn's Dragon Puppet is 3 and 2 over 6 meters. So, para ma-solve to, we got similar fractions pero mas malaki ito kaysa dito. So, what do we do? Manghihiram tayo. Nag-skip lang ako na isang part pero dapat pwedeng gawin tong 4 plus 1 plus 1 over 6. Diba? At pwede naman yung 1 na gawing 6 over 6 na agad. Kaya, in-add ko na siya 4 and 7 over 6. And then, i-minus natin yung whole number first. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. Copy the denominator, 6. Put the label. And we are going to be having 1 and 5 over 6 meters. And that is letter B. Letter B. Letter B. Okay. Did anyone get that correct? Okay, we got Erlinda, Lovely Joy, Serial, MathDali videos. This is from someone na galing DepEd, no? Serial22 says, MathDali videos ang ginagamit ko as alternative mode sa aking mga bata. It really helps. And that really makes our day. We appreciate you so much, Serial, and sa lahat ng mga parte po ng ating education system, lalong-lalo na sa mga educators natin, sa mga formators po natin. Saludo po kami sa inyo. And whatever happens, nandito lang po ang ating MathDali team to help you with anything para sa mga kailangan nyo for math, of course. Dahil andito po kami para sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga teachers, sa lahat ng mga students, parents na nakasama po natin ngayon, classmates, maraming salamat. Natapos na tayo sa addition, sa subtraction, pero marami pa tayong kailangan pag-aralan, lalong-lalo na with fractions. Alright? Next week, since feeling ni Kuya Robi, nadalian kayo sa mga math lessons natin, subtraction, sa fractions, bigyan pa natin kayo ng mas mahirap pa. Okay? Mahirap na problems, pero at the end of that one, sasabihin na naman sa akin, Kuya Robi, madaling-madali lang yan dahil isip plus tiyaga equals MathDali. Ako po, si Kuya Robi, and I'll see you guys next week. Paalam! Boom, boom, boom.